Hi everybody, today is going to be an unboxing of my recent Erin Condren order. This is a smaller order, so not as many things, but that's okay. I still wanted to show you guys what I got. So, open this guy up. I did peek in a little bit, so it is ripped already. And not that much, but that's okay. So, I have this guy. I have this. I have some covers. And I have this, so I'm going to pull them all out and we'll dive in. All right, let's start with this guy right here. So if you have a munchkin, I would say probably ages maybe 10 and under, maybe a little bit older, maybe 12. This might be something you're interested maybe as a Christmas present. So this is Erin Condren's Kid Planner. Now I have one of these for my 8-year-old, almost 9-year-old, and my younger one is almost 6, and she really wanted one like her sister, so I figured I would get one for her too. So you can choose which cover. They have maybe 10 different cover options that you can choose from. This is the one I chose for her. It's got silver foil on it. When you open it up, there are some awesome stars, lots of bright colors. This is an all about me section. I do have a complete flip through of this planner on my channel. My 8-year-old actually reviewed it, so I will link that somewhere up here for you guys to go check out if you would like to. An about section, this one is a reading log. So my 6-year-old is just now learning to read, so she probably won't use this one quite yet. Goal tracker for yearly goals, allowance tracker if your kid wants to track their allowance, which my 6-year-old probably does. What I'm saving for, books I want to read, and then it goes into the monthlies. So you can start pretty much whatever month you want. It has a bunch of different things that you can do for each one. It's got like some activities. This one's a create your own cover, some routines. Here is your monthly spread. This is what this planner is pretty much all about, is about this big monthly spread. And for this monthly spread, it is undated. You start it when you want, and you get this pack of stickers to go along with it. You get 12 sheets, 1 day for each month. You get your flag for the month, your date dots, a bunch of event stickers, and some deco. This guy right here is the tab that actually goes right here. It is a blank tab, so you can take that sticker and put on the tab for when you want. So it goes through every month. Different themes, different activities every month. My 8-year-old loves filling these out. Into the back, and let's see, gosh, I don't remember what's back here. I think you just finish up the last month and then there's nothing at the end. Yeah, it's just the blank. But these are the interchangeable covers. So you get the planner cover that comes with it, but you can always buy some of the extra ones for your kid. So that's the kid planner that I got for Natalie. And it comes in this really cool like case that velcros too. Alright, so I got quite a few covers. Well, maybe not a few. I think I got 3. But these are all like fall themed, fall and Halloween themed. And let's see, what did I pick up? I got the skull one. And I like putting little like quotes on them instead of my name. This one says bad to the bone. I thought that was really cute with the skull. So this is what the skull front and the back looks like. I got this gorgeous pumpkin cover. They had this theme in this fall surprise box that I absolutely love, so I had to get it. It's got like rose gold foil. This one says, oh my gourd, I love fall. Yeah, I like putting little quotes on mine. I'm not a huge fan of putting my name on all of them because I don't really need my name on all my covers. My name's on the inside, so. And I got the ghost one. This one says, I'm just here for the booze. This is just a fun kind of pastel cover. So these are gorgeous. I'm going to put one on for Halloween here pretty soon here. I think this pumpkin one is probably my favorite. Next up are just some little doohickeys that I needed. This one is some of the coil clip connectors. So this has adhesive on this white side here that you can pull the sticker off and stick something to it, whether it's a dashboard or a piece of paper or a folder you want to put there and kind of clip into your binder and then or your planner. And then it's got the coil part on this side so you can like literally just move it around your planner. I think you get 6. Yeah, you get 6 there, which is pretty awesome. And then this just completely fell out, but I got these, so you might not know what these are. So their wall calendars have been out of stock for a while. They're having issues getting some of the parts, and I have a wall calendar. These are just some of the like magnetic stickers that can go on it. Birthdays, soccer practice, soccer game. I wasn't so much after these big pieces as I was these little pieces right here. So these are like little icons that you can put on your like wall calendar. So I got a bunch of soccer ones to mark when we have soccer practice, and I got different colors for both of my girls. I got a green and a purple. What else did I get? And you can choose these icons. So like there's a bunch you can choose from. I got some Christmas ones, some candy canes. I got a little pie for Thanksgiving, some fall, some pumpkin. So there's a bunch of different icons you can choose from. I just wanted to kind of specifically get a bunch of soccer ones because in the fall and the spring we have a ton of soccer. But they come as a pack and you can personalize them, which is awesome. So those go with my wall calendar. And then I had to get this. So this is the school sticker book. I am not a teacher, so I won't be using like some of these in here, but I just loved a lot of these stickers in here. You have these dots, which are awesome. You have some to-do lists, some like tab type stickers, field trip, assembly. My kids could definitely use those. Just some fun sticker deco, some speech bubbles. There's some more. Here are some letters. Honestly, this would be a really good Christmas present if your kid is into like stationery or planners. I might give this to my 8-year-old. We'll see. Here's like some markers that are like day of the week that you can mark for your date covers today. This one is just some like washi strips. Be the reason someone smiles today. These are in silver foil. Then you have this sheet with don't forget. Like I wouldn't probably use the meeting ones, but most of them I probably could use. You have just some fun different deco pieces. You have this for like maybe appointments or meetings, blank to blank. And then this one's like a little paper clip, just some more boxes. So that is the Cool for School, the designer sticker book for kind of like the school one. And last but not least is this guy right here. So this is like a diary type thing for kids, and Ava, my 8-year-old, is really kind of into that phase where she wants like something for herself. She wants to be able to write in it, things like that. So I did put her name on it. And this is like their A5 size. They are now coming out with A5 covers, so we could probably switch that out if we wanted to. My diary, and then this is kind of like how she's feeling. So every day you can put the date, you can rate your day, your mood, maybe circle today's weather, and then maybe talk about your day. Today I had a bad day, or whatever I'm grateful for, and tomorrow I want to. And it goes that way. Let's see. Here are some blank pages, just to be able to doodle or draw, and then into the next month, or the next week. Oh, it goes by weeks. Gotcha. So I'm not really quite sure how many weeks are in this, but it's just a fun way for her to be able to kind of like jot down her thoughts, maybe get some drawing done. I think this is maybe 2 or 3 months. I want to see how it goes, see how she likes it, and I guess we'll see if we purchase another one and see if she wants to continue with it. So I got that diary journal for Ava. I got the sticker book. I got these wall calendar icons. I'll link everything in the description below if you're interested in any of it. These coil clip connectors. The covers, honestly, are probably my favorite. I'm very excited for the covers. And then the planner for Natalie. So just a quick little haul. I already have all my planners for the next year, so any purchasing will probably be done for like gifts and things like that. But it's fun to see all the different products. They have some of the stuff that like I watched videos on. I didn't even know that they had on the website. So that's kind of what I'm hoping, is that like some of you guys didn't realize that some of these things were up. Otherwise, I just kind of wanted to share what I got. So I hope you guys all have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.